Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, this is going to be a how-to on how I get this afro look on my 4C hair. As you can tell, my hair is looking pretty rough right now, pretty dry. I didn't like twist it overnight or anything, but just raking my hands through it. You're gonna need a spray bottle. I really like this spray bottle from Amazon. Any curling cream that you have, this one works really well with my hair and getting like soft curls, and an oil. This is just homemade oil that my mom makes at home that I have. So ooh, length check, period. Okay, so you're gonna need to basically kind of dampen your whole head. I don't want to say soaking wet, but just wet enough where it's not feeling dry or anything. Once you're done dampening your hair, you're gonna go with the oil after parting your head. So right now I'm parting just the back of the head. As you can tell, the plaits are gonna be pretty big because I like to do pretty big twists when trying to get like this look, so it can just be more voluminous. I'm going in with the spray bottle again just to kind of add more water to the hair. Now I'm gonna go in with the cream that I showed you guys in the beginning. I'm going to section one part out of the big plait that I made in the back and take some cream. I take a generous amount of cream just because I add a lot of product to my hair. So I'm just raking the product all the way through my hair, spraying more water. I'm really making sure that I also get to the ends. Now I'm going in with the oil to just seal in all the product, kind of like a finishing touch to just seal in the moisture. Making sure that I get the ends, adding more product to the ends. Once I'm done, now I'm going to start the braiding process. As you can tell, I'm braiding at the root first. I'm not going all the way down the braid. I just braid a little bit, and then I'm going to two-strand twist. I just do this to add just a little bit of length when I'm taking it out. I don't just automatically go to the twisting, but now I'm just twisting down, all the way down. Once I reach to the bottom of the twist, as you can tell right now, I'm going to wrap the hair around, kind of like a bantu knot at the end of the hair. And then yeah, this is just the first twist, pretty chunky. Now we're gonna do another side just to show you guys from this side how I did it. So I'm spraying my hair with water, raking it in, making sure it's wet, spraying more at the ends. I'm gonna take some product, a generous amount, and rake it through that part. Now I'm gonna add the oil to seal in all the moisture and the product. Raking it through my hair. Now I'm going to start braiding from the root of the hair, not braiding it fully down as I did on the other part. Now I'm going to start two-strand twisting all the way to the bottom. And then I'm going to wrap the ends up into basically a bantu knot. So guys, it is the next day. I actually forgot to film last night, like how it looked at the end and all that stuff, and like what I did in the top of my head. But this is how it looks. So as you can tell, on the top of my head, I did flat twist. I didn't record it last night because I'm not really good at doing flat twists. So I really recommend like watching a video because there's so many videos on YouTube on how to do flat twists. So I didn't want to record me doing flat twists and then you guys thinking like I know what I'm doing when I don't. I've only done flat twists a couple of times, but when I want to do like the fro look, I do flat twist. So yeah, I try to do like a no part I try to do no part as best as possible, but you can still see like there's some parts, but we can easily fix that up. So now what we're just going to do is the takedown process. I know a lot of people use oil to like do the takedown process, so that's what I'm going to do. I don't really do this method, but I know I've heard that it costs less frizz, so we're gonna try that out today. I'm just gonna put that much. You can't really tell, but I'm only gonna put that much, rub it in my fingers, and then just take them out. Okay, so now that you look absolutely crazy, this is when the fun steps start to come in. As you can tell, I look absolutely like crazy. Like I would never go out like this, but just trust the process. So now what you're gonna want to do is separate the hair to get like that big look. So for example, this piece right here, I'm going to separate it. See that? See that? And I just made a bunch of other pieces. You can separate it as much as you want. It can be like 2 each strand, like that, and then like that. So we're gonna do that to the whole head and then move on to the next steps. So now once everything is, well, majority of it is untwisted out, this is not what we want. We're looking very much weird. Now this is the last step. You are going to need a pick. This is very, like, this is what you really need. A wide tooth comb could work, but really though, you really need a pick. We're just going to pick it out and make it very voluptuous, very poppin', very big. Take out some of these parts that we have in, and yeah, so let's see how it turns out. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I think it came out pretty good. If you want like a more bigger look or more like less definition look, you can definitely get that by just unraveling more twists and just picking it out more throughout the day. I do like pick it out more, so it does get more like bigger, but right now I think it looks good like this. It can definitely become bigger depending on how much you pick it out. I really love doing this style with my natural hair. I used to like doing hairstyles that was kind of like down to kind of like show length. Now I don't really like care much about like how my hair looks lengthwise. I kind of like want it to be more like volume, like more volume basically, if that makes sense. Like I would like my hair to have more volume in the style than like lengthwise. But yeah, I really hope you guys liked this tutorial. It was super easy. Yeah, you can shape this however way you want. If you want to do like a side part, I just do like a bang type of thing. And yeah, all the products that I use will be in the description box below. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and comment down any video suggestions. I really hope you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.